reached the registration and the official start on the hike. This is Brandon. How are you feeling?
Feeling great. Let's do this.
Got our one and only hike guide, Woody Allen. How are you feeling?
Hey guys, hey everybody. You know, I'm feeling good except this one Swedish guy. He scares me a little bit. No,
he talks too much.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah. How are you feeling?
Good.
Still good?
Pretty sweaty.
Yeah.
Already?
You chose black, that's good.
This tree back
Great,
here.
not the best colour.
No. But we're not here for fashion, right?
We are not here to look good either.
It's defined by the cave system.
Alright, nearly 12 noon. Gone a bit more than 3 kilometers. Total climb at 723 meters. So we're pretty high up. Gonna have some lunch and still feel pretty good. We've done the steepest part on our way to base camp, and now it's kind of a nice gravel road. And as you can see, the kind of terrain has changed. It's pretty cool. So we're thriving. We're at the base camp. Hi.
Fuego is starting to show.
Whoa! Whoa! Look at that!
Oh my god.
Wow. So we go as close as possible.
And here are premium villas looking out over this beautiful volcano, Fuego. Can we get a little eruption?
No, you wanna.
Give us it. Give us it.
We probably got the best welcome we could. Sky opened up and there was a big bang. And now we're checking into the resort.
Checking into the resort.
Looking at the essentials. What do we got here?
Oh, you're a little early for pictures.
Oh yeah. Brandon here is quite an experienced hiker, and what's the most essential in your hiking?
I'll just point you in this direction.
Because we got a little hydration here going on, right?
You gotta stay hydrated.
Some whiskey, some beers, some wine, and some water.
Perfect. We'll maintain it.
Oh, this is our crib. How you guys feeling?
Ready.
Yeah, we got the doggy. He's charging up.
Yeah, we got dessert. Pasta dinner. Second dessert, marshmallows.
Ooh,
Some different flavored breads.
looks good.
That's all. That's yeah. English muffins. Let's do it.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, man.
Stoked.
There's one way. Piss me off. It's these bottles in the trash. That's ridiculous.
Hola. ¿Qué tal?
We have now started this sunset hike to Fuego. And we got Woody in the front. We got Mick in the back. And we already had one really big pop. With a really big bang as well. But yeah, we're steaming.
More.
Yeah.
Wait.
And the weather's so far pretty good, I think. So, so we're hopeful.
They're all pretty much ash explosions. There's 3 elements: ash, more of a peanut buttery type texture of lava that kind of solidifies to this stuff. It's much more aerated rock. And then there's the solid, like, Polinian rocks that go really, really far. You think you can throw a baseball a lot further than a ping pong ball.
Oh yeah.
Like the last big eruption in 2010, ash carried to Guatemala City and buried Guatemala City in like 8 inches of ash.
Oh, wow.
Nobody died in that explosion except one reporter who was up there and he got hit by a Polinian rock. He thought he was far enough away, but then the top of the mountain chucked a baseball at him.
Oh my god.
Yeah. You can feel the weight difference in the...
How you guys feeling?
Good.
Good.
Glad we made it. Ready for some lava.
Oh yeah. Some poppers.
That means something different than what I think. We're up on the ridge on Fuego, waiting for it to burst, but it's one of the most incredible experiences I've been experiencing.
We are fucking gearing up for rain.
There's thunderstorms around us and rain about to come, so
So move your ass.
we're trying to be prepared. Woody here is taking good care of us, so but of course we hope for no rain.
Fucking wild. Oh my god, look how far it's rolling down!
Holy shit.
Shit.
both sides.
That's actually...
Contrast. I can no. That's like that.
That's the biggest guy yet.
No, that was the biggest one. Turn around, bright eyes.
It's 4 a.m. and we're back up, and it's time to do the Acatenango. I don't see anything here, but
You got a statement here?
You have a statement?
I think it's nice.
It's not beautiful.
It's a beautiful view.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Worth waking up for.
You know,
Almost what?
good enough.
Brandon,
How'd you beat this, eh? Oh yeah. Incredible work, guys.
statement.
Just excited to be here. Enjoy this view with everybody. Pretty incredible.
It is cool.
New friends, new places,
It's the best.
new experiences. Why not?
Wow. Hola, ¿qué tal? Gracias. Here we go. Top of Acatenango, overlooking Fuego. She's been spitting out a few
Incredible. a few full sands this night, huh?
Full set today. Morning, evening, 4 hours.
That's so competitive. You got 40 seconds! Come on! Quicker! You've got 15 seconds! Go on! Go on!
Just finished the crater run. You gotta run around the crater. It's tough, but it was a fun challenge. I think I was 15 seconds from the record, so I'm pretty proud of that actually. Gave it my best, but it's been an incredible experience up here. And we've had such a luck with the weather and the group and everything really. So I'm just super stoked and happy.
Let's go. Got so much stones. That was me.
All right, back at camp. Brekkie. Coffee. That sounds good.
Did you sleep?
Shower now, shower. It's like double shower.
And so it's time to hike back. Had a beautiful, nice breakfast and are ready for the hike down. The weather is just amazing. And what's good too is that the bags are much lighter, no water. Be a pretty nice ride back home. What do you say, guys?
Woo! Yeah. Feeling good now.
One team, one dream.
One team, one dream.
Yeah.
What the dream is,
Oh.
don't know.
Don't know.
It's one of them.
We haven't decided yet, but
Yeah,
One team,
yeah.
like the drink.